Are you really sure that nobody believes in you? You know, it sucks when the people around you, like in your direct contact, doesn't support you, like your parents don't support you, your friends don't support you, or even your teachers don't support you. But are you really sure that nobody supports you? There's 8 billion people in this world. You think that 8 billion people are against you? You know, a lot of the times we have this me versus the world mentality where we think everybody is against us. And it's easy to have that mindset when you're trying to do something and it's like, well, nobody's supporting you, right? And it makes everything feel 10 times harder than it should be. But that's really not the case. Not everybody is against you. And even if they were, why would that matter? Why would nobody support you matter? Because it's like, it's nice to have that, right? I'm not saying that you don't want nobody supporting you, but when nobody supports you, why should that stop you from believing in yourself? People don't want to see their own failures when they look at you. There's one of two ways that this happens. The first way is mostly with your parents. Like, why your parents don't actually support you is because they don't want to see you fail. Your parents, like, they think they know a lot, right? Like, they've raised us and all, but like, so they think that they know everything about us. And so it's like you'll try telling them this is what you want to do with your life, and then they'll shut it down immediately, not even like give you the chance, like give you the time of day to explain to them that you have like this big plan of like your success in life, but they just don't see it. And the reason why they don't see it is because they don't want you to fail. If there's like even 1% chance of failing, they're gonna tell you like it's a stupid idea. Like, why are you even considering it? You know, I remember telling my parents that I wanted to like major in psychology, right? And they I told them like psychology is like really interesting. I like this is like the only thing I really care about in school. The only thing I can see myself actually studying and passing. And they'll just like gaslight me into thinking why are only like dumb people choose psychology? Like, why are you choosing psychology? You're gonna be broke the rest of your life. Do something like computer science or something, you know. They weren't saying that just to be like harsh to me. They were saying that because they know that this degree doesn't make as much money compared to like some other like STEM degree or whatever, you know. So it's like they're really trying to look out for you. They're just doing it in the way that parents do, like by not understanding and thinking like everything has to be their way. And you're a reflection of your parents. So whenever you fail, your parents feel like they've failed too because they've spent so much time raising you that every failure is their failure, every win is their win. Then the second way where like 90% of people see failures in you is that when you're successful and you believe in yourself, you believe in the goals you're gonna set out and achieve, you know what you want to do in this life, and you actually go for it, the people who are doubting you, they're only doubting you because they see what they can become of themselves. They see if I actually work hard and actually put my mind to what I want to do, I can be successful like you. And so instead of actually praising you, instead of actually taking like inspiration from you, they'll just like throw you down, bro. Try to push you down to their level because you being successful reminds them of how unsuccessful they are. So the only thing they know what to do is like bring you down. It's like the crabs in the bucket mentality where, you know, if you put a bunch of crabs in a bucket and one of them is like about to climb out of the ledge, the other crabs are going to pull it back down. They have this like herd mentality where it's like, if we all suffer, you're going to suffer with us. This is what people do. Like when they see you successful, they're like, you can't be successful. I'm not successful, bro. Like you're gonna have to be unsuccessful with me. And it's hard. I know when nobody believes in you. You have to work so much harder when you have like only yourself to rely on. You can't actually go to anybody. You can't depend on anybody to actually help you out because they don't actually see the vision that you see as yourself. And you have to understand that, is this really the life you actually want? Do you want this current life for yourself 10 years into the future? If the answer is yes, where you are in your life, you want to be in this exact same position 10 years into the future, then by all means, keep doing what you're doing. Keep letting other people's opinions and validations dictate your life. Because if you keep doing that, you're not going to change. You're going to be exactly where you are throughout your life. But if the answer is no, you actually do want to change, then you need to start believing in yourself. You need to start using the brain that God gave you and actually use it to your own benefit and actually believe in yourself. Because if you don't believe in yourself, why should anybody else believe in you? If you don't think that you can actually get the work done, why should anybody actually believe in you, have faith in you that you're actually going to do what you say you're going to do? Because you're only fooling yourself that way. If you don't even believe in yourself, if you don't even believe in your own abilities, then you're just a fraud, honestly. You need to start believing in yourself. And it's hard because we're growing up seeking approval from our parents, our friends, our teachers, and whatever. So it's like we have this like mentality where it's like we need other people to tell us what to do. We need other people's approval before we actually get started. Like we'll go to other people for their opinions. Like we'll ask our friends like, yo, what do you think of this outfit I put on? And then if they actually don't like it, we'll start thinking, oh yeah, maybe this outfit does suck. Like, let me take it off. Let me put something else on. Or it's like my own story when I was saying how I wanted to go study psychology in school, and then my parents say, no, don't do that. It's such a dumb idea. And then now I'm second guessing myself, thinking, yo, maybe psychology is stupid. Let me do something else instead. You need to believe in yourself. Stop believing in what other people tell you to do, and actually use your own brain. You have a brain for a reason. You need to show yourself undeniable results that prove to you that you are worthy of success. You are worthy of actually achieving what you want to achieve. Because when you have these results in front of you, what's your excuse now? Because you see that you're getting the results that you want. All you gotta do is just keep repeating it, keep going at it again and again until you keep stacking those wins on top of each other, so you get more and more results. You're proving to yourself that all you need to do is believe in yourself. One of the ways you can do that is just write out 3 wins every single day. Whether it's, you went to the gym today, that's a win. Whether you actually stayed on your diet today, that's another win. Do whatever it takes for you to count something as a win. It could be like big or small, it doesn't matter. If you're doing something that's taking you towards your goals and you've made like little steps towards it, that is a win. You write that down. If you do that literally 3 times a day, if you do that for like 2 weeks straight or something, bro, like your mind will change, thinking, yo, I'm getting all these wins every day. I can actually do what I want to do. I can actually do what I say I'm going to do. So you put your mind to it and you actually believe in yourself. Stacking these wins on top of each other, building your belief in yourself even more, having more faith in your abilities. Once you start doing that, you realize you don't need anybody else's validation. You don't need anybody else to motivate you to get work done. You don't need them to believe in you. Why do you need somebody else to believe in you when you can believe in yourself? So that's what you do when nobody believes in you.